Hey, hi, welcome back to Do It New YouTube channels. Today, practical sessions we cover the spectral indices. Just choose your new environment. It is the initial process. Open the new map of the environment. Layout is ready for the adding your data and applying the some indices on that. So we let's add here the Landsat data. Just right click, add data here. We need the band number 1 to band number 7. Just focus on that band. Just using your control button and press your control button and applying one by one all band as your choose. Just 7 band we focusing here. You can look here the band, all bands are coming here. First our initial process we need to just band combinations. So band composite we do the first. Just go to the imagery options. You can look here imagery options. Just click on that. First you can look here the imagery options having the process. Just click on that process and need to composite this. Before we composite we need to select the choice band. You can look, just press the control key and band number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 like just select the choiceable band. Go to the pre-process, just composite that band. Here band composite image is showing you. Now we remove the all single band. Now we are applying here the indices. You can look here the band composition image. So composite image we just overview of the how to combine the all band. Now our focus is here. The next indices is the soil adjust vegetation indices. Just go to the imagery option. You can look here in a menu options. Just click on that. uh, you can look here the indices. Just click over there and select the second option, soil adjust vegetation index. Is the vegetation index that the attempt to the minimum soil brightness influence using the soil brightness correction factor. This is often used in arid region where vegetation cover in the low. Those area cover in the low vegetations we adjust, we applying on that soil adjust vegetation index. All this mathematical formulation I explore this you can show you. Just look here. Just this select here the near infrared band. You can look here the Landsat band detail configurations, Landsat 8 data details. Just select here the band number. This is a band number. First is the coastal band, second is a blue red, blue green red. So our focus is the near infrared. Band number 5 is the near infrared. Just select on that. And band number 4 is a red band. So select over there. And this is 0.5 is average of the soil adjust vegetation index equal to the normal difference vegetation index. So divide by the 50 value result. Just applying on OK. You can look here the result is displaying. Just uncheck the composite band and just select click on that. You can go to the symbological options, select your color scheme. Just be selecting here. This is the result of the soil adjust vegetation index. very much clearly explore the result of soil adjust vegetation index. So you can also create the minimum displaying the value between the actual minimum and maximum value. So applying over there, you got the result. So thank you guys. Do not forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel, Do It New, and also press the bell icon. We will meet on the next tutorial.